Hey there folks, Nathan down here, Wilkins Harley-Davidson again, and this time we're bringing to you a 2024 Softail Standard. This unit only has 9 miles on it, maybe 10 by the time you pick it up, but beautiful, beautiful unit obviously. You do have the 107 engine on this thing, that's the Milwaukee 8. Which means you've got 8 valves in total, 4 per cylinder on there. Gives it a beautiful, smooth power plant. Milwaukee 8 is a fan favorite overall. This one, if I didn't say already, is in Billiard Gray and Pone stock unit, again with only 9 miles on it. You may be asking, why does the bike only have 9 miles on it? I do believe this is one that a customer won in one of our bike giveaways and ended up not needing it, so they traded it back into us. So come on down, get yourself a basically brand new 2024 pre-owned unit. 2024 Softail Standard. Thank you guys. You can give us a call, stop on by, 802-476-6104.